Hey everyone, how are you? It's Simon here. We are going to learn Please Come Home for Christmas by Charles Brown. Now he played it in E, but it was popularised later by the Eagles who played it in A, so we're going to have a go at it in A. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments. I'll just give you an idea of what it's going to sound like the first section, and then we'll talk about the chords, and we'll just continue in that fashion. Won't take more than 5 minutes. Stay tuned. We've got A. A major 7, A7, D, D sharp diminished, A, D, A, F sharp minor, B7 twice, okay. Now, you could play that kind of 6/8 vibe thing. I was just playing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 every single time, right? So down, down, up, down. But it doesn't really matter. Like I said, there's loads of versions of this, so as long as you're playing the right chords in the right order, in time, it's going to sound right. Okay, so we are going to play an A first. Everybody knows an A. A major 7. Just basically put your index finger there on G sharp, that's the major 7 of the key. And then lift that up. If you want to make this fourth bar sound a bit special, you can put an extra G there on the top, on the high E string. Then we've got a D, twice. Then we're going to play a D sharp diminished 7. Fret-wise. I've got my first, third, second and first fingers. And then we've got A. D. A. F sharp minor. Now, if you didn't want to play F sharp minor like that, you could just play an F sharp minor 7 there with one finger flat across the across the second fret. And then we're going to play E major. Right? Oh, sorry, no. Got excited there. We're going to play B7. Now, I played B7 like this before, a second fret A7 shaped bar chord. Or you could play this B7, 2, 1, 2, open, 2. Doesn't matter. Same chord. And then E major. Then we're going to play an E augmented. So what that means is that we're just going to lift our second finger, put it on C, one strum. So you've got the second fret first, open. Okay, augmented basically means you're sharpening the fifth of the chord, if you're interested in that sort of thing. Okay, so then we run around that same thing again for the second verse. A7, pinky, trick, you can actually move this up 3 frets each time. It's kind of the same chord, just the numbers are kind of swapped around. That's another theory thing. All the notes in D sharp diminished 7 are 3 semitones away from each other, which means it sounds like a Tom and Jerry cartoon if you're from that era. Anyway, you could go. Then back to A, D, F sharp minor, B7, now, and then E, second time, A. To the bridge. And the bridge goes D. Let's learn how that goes first, just hear how it goes. D minor. So we pretty much had all those chords, D, D minor, yeah, and then A, E, A, A7, take the second finger away, D. Now here with the strumming, if you wanted to change it up because it's a different sort of section, a really common sort of thing is you hear this sort of like kind of thing in these sorts of tunes. You could do that. What did I play? I played something different. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kind of played every single da, 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 da. You could go all down. Like I say, with the rhythm, it's really, really up to you. You make your version. Okay, so then we get round to the verse, the second, sort of the third verse after the bridge, I guess. Now, at the end of this section, we've got some slightly different chords. We're going to start that verse by going and playing A. D. Which is the same as before at the moment. Do our trick. A. Now, we've got a C sharp 7 here. So we could do this a few different ways. Typically what you would do, you'd play a C sharp 7 here at the 4th fret. It's an A7 shaped bar chord. So I've got 4, 6, 4, 6. You could play like a C7 here, just shift it up one, but don't hit either low or high E strings. You could even, if that was too hard, you could even just play 1, open 1. Right? That is C7, C sharp 7 as well, because this is D7, so if we move everything down that way, 1 semitone, just don't hit any of the other strings, right? So you could go A, then here's C7, C sharp 7, you could go, okay? Then we've got F sharp minor, A, D, B7. Now, those are happening on the 1 and 4 of the bars. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So basically you get 2 chords per bar instead of only 1. So let's hear how that sounds after the D sharp diminished 7. Then we continue with these 2 chords per bar bit. It goes A, F sharp minor, B7, E, A. Right? And then E augmented. Oh yeah, I'm playing that slightly different from before. So here's E major. I just flattened my index finger. So I've got 2, 2, 1, 1. Okay? If you like. Or you could do it the same way as you did before. There's really no rules, man. Okay, Christmas, you know, do what you like. So then it comes around again for the final verse. On the version I heard John Bon Jovi doing this. And there was a ginormous guitar solo the second time, which was a bit of a surprise, to be honest. So here's the verse. D. Imagine a solo. It's crazy, huh? A. C sharp 7, F sharp minor, A, D, B7, A. Oops, A, F sharp minor, B7, E, A, D, A7. Big ending. All right, thanks very much for watching this Christmas-inspired lesson. I do appreciate it. If you would like the chart, you can grab that at Patreon. See you next time for another lesson. Bye for now.